Muthenya umwe tu thutha wa ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kuruguria mubango ukonii maundu megie uciari wa mwaka wa 2022-2032 ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia muingi ni cieyumiritie ikiuga itinakuruhanio uhariri-ini wa riboti ino kana woni wa muingi guthikiririo. Matongoretio ni Martin Lunalo, murugamiriri wa gikundi kia Reproductive Health Champion Organization. Ikundi ici ciugite mubango uria uraruguririo ni thirikari nduraririria kihinyo mathina maria magumeire uciari ari hamwe na namba nene ya atumia na airetu aria makuaga makiruta nda.
The Department of Health, through the provision of Department of Reproductive Health at the national level, omitted key components, including contraception, including issues to do with family planning, including involvement of adolescents as far as healthcare services is concerned in this country. They have omitted key components of comprehensive abortion care services to our population.
Marua-ini maria mekiritwo kirore ni atongoria a ikundi ici maugite handu ha gukurana thina uria ukoretwo kuo, ministry ya ugima wa mwiri irakungirie wara na njira ya guthondeka mweke wa gwaka ceceni cia kuyukia airetu aria mohanda matehariirie.
The document fails to address the numerous unintended early and adolescent teen pregnancies by denying adolescent access to reproductive health information.
The document must be reviewed. The document must be shared with the members of this country so that they ascertain whether the issues affecting our country is really documented in that document. If not, we are going to demonstrate.
Thegia ya gukorwo ni mandikire ministry ya ugima wa mwiri makienda gukuruhanio uhariri-ini wa riboti ino. Ikundi ici ciugite itiakuruhanirio micemanio-ini yothe iria ikoretwo igithie na mbere, makiuga maya ni mahitia na mubango uyu waya gwikirirwo nganja.
Tunaomba zile amendments zenye civil society walikuwa wameweka ziangalio sana, kwa sababu zitatusaidia sana. Kama pale hizi kesi zitapunguka, hizi mimba za mapema zitapunguka, na tunaomba kwamba kama pale watu wa pale mashinani, tunaomba ni serikali itusikize, kwa sababu sisi ndio kama wazazi pale, shida zinatutokezelezea kila wakati.
Mambo yenye itatusaidia iletwe mashinani, watoto wetu waweze kusaidika na waache mambo ya ngono, na mambo ya sanitary towel iwekwe mashinani ili watoto wetu wasaidike.
Ikundi ici ciugite itiretikaniria ona hanini na mubango uyu, kuona mendekithia mao matina kuruhanio, makiuga kuri na mianya irabatara kurorwo mbere ya mubango uyu kurekererio kuri muingi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.